What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? You know it's Mr. Bennett with a new video. Thank you one for joining here today. I really appreciate you all. Alright guys, so without further ado, alright, so we have 2 2/3 plus 1.5 divided by 6 2/5. Again, I encourage you guys to go ahead and try up before me. Alright, guys, oh this is set to this is actually the line drawn 6 2/5, but couldn't bother type it up or something. So me just put divide and then put this in a bracket, right? That to show that the bracket means you must work out the bracket first. But the question is does do something like this. So it look in a real life. But it means the same thing. Big up my pep student. Pep students. This is how it's said, right? And this is typical how C set will set it. But it means divide. This and this means the same thing. You put it in bracket, do the addition first. Alright? So 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 2, 8 over 3, plus 1 times 2, that's 2, so that's 3 over 3. So when we are adding or subtracting, we must bring them to a common denominator. So this will be 6, 3 into 6 goes 2 times, 8 2 16. And then now 2 into 6 goes 3 times, 3 times 3 is 9. So we just add this. 9 and 6, that's 15, so that's 25 over 6. And we divide it by, we're going to convert this right away. Pep students, 6 times 5, that's 30. Oh, this should be over 6. Get so excited sometimes when I'm doing maths. Alright, so 6, 5, 30, and that 32 over 5. But we know that when we are multiplying, it's actually like when we are dividing, it's actually like we are multiplying. So change the multiplication to 5 and invert the last fraction. Lord, that one look like stress. So 5 times 5, 5, 25. 5 2 is 10, and that's 20, so that's 125. And then we multiply numerator by numerator. 6 times 2, that's 12. 2 carry 1. 6 3 is 18, and 1 9. Alright, so we're gonna leave it like that, Alright, number 2 says given a, oh Lord, given a is equal to 2, b is equal to -3, and c is equal to 0. Evaluate 4a minus 2b plus 3c. Alright, so we're substituting the values. So it's 4 bracket. What's the value of a? The value of a is 2, so we'll substitute 2 in there. Minus 2, I see there, 2, and then b is minus 3 plus 3c, and of course c is 0. Alright, so let's multiply. 4 2 is 8. -2 times -3 gives us positive 6. And 3 times 0, that is 0. So all we have to do now is basically 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. So we just put our answer as 14. Alright guys, before we go, let me look on something. I think I left off something off this paper. Let me look on it. Hold on guys, there's something else I left off. I just remember as I'm doing. Alright, here it is. Yes, a raised to the c power. So let us call this 2 and this a raised to the c power. So let's substitute the values. A is 2, c is 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is, you guessed it, is 1. You won $1 million. So our answer is 1. Alright, let's move on to number 3. And this one says simplify x minus 2 divided by 3 plus x plus 1 divided by 4. Alright, so let's just find the LCM. Marcy from Trinidad and Tobago, big up yourself. Hope you're watching my video. You're Tara, alright? So 3 into 12 goes 4 times. And 4 into that goes 4 into 12 goes 3 times. Some people don't say, can't go here, so I watch my channel more regular people. So 4 times x, that's 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Now this is a positive 3, so 3 times x, that's 3x. And 3 times 1, that is 3. So we group the like terms now, peeps. So it's 4x. All the sinners come together, and all these excellency people together. So we separate them. So this is minus 8 plus 3. Wrap up your phone in file paper and come to the church immediately. Alright, so now we have the like terms. We can simplify. So 4x plus 3x, these are the only like terms. So that's 7x. And minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. But remember, guys, ensure that you keep the denominator, which is 12. So there we simplify. Cannot go any further because we can't find a number that can go into 7, 5, and 12 without the remainder. So that is its lowest term. Alright, so this one says solve. I don't know why I leave off the instruction. So we're gonna solve for x. Big up everybody who is a part of my channel. You don't have to like the video. Only if you like it, alright? Alright, so guys, my Saturday, my Wednesday class peeps, you would have seen this before, right? Alright, so find the LCM, which is 6. So we're gonna multiply each by 6. So this times 6. Alright, so 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 6, 3. Then we expand the bracket, 3 times 4, that's 12x. 3 times 5, that is 15. So 3, 5, 15. Now we're multiplying by 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2. So guys, remember, this is a negative 2, right? So negative 2 times 9, that's negative 18. And negative 2 times 2x, that's minus 4x. 0 times 6 is 0. Remember, anything times 0 is 0. Alright, so let's group the like terms. Damon Hines, big up yourself. Smith, big up yourself. Greenwood, big up yourself. Yeah, big up peeps. Everybody big up. Some people really reach out to me more time, you know what I mean? Yeah. So 12x minus that is equal to 8x. 15 minus 8, remember this is a bigger number. So you're gonna be negative 3. And that is equal to 0. Now, what we need to do now is to get x by itself. So we're gonna get rid of this negative 3 by adding 3 to both sides. So 8x is equal to 3. And then now we can divide both sides by 8. So x is equal to 3 over 8. Freestyle, we are freestyle now, people. So there's no thing there. So I mean, always have to put in work. There's no doubt about that. Alright. Number 5, binary operation. So it's a given that A asterisk B is equal to AB minus B over A. Evaluate 4 asterisk 8. Right? So what it is saying basically, A is equal to 4. So now put that. The first number so A is equal to 4. Casey man. Casey man. And B is equal to 8. Alright. So we're just gonna put them in this formula. So it's A times B, that is 4 times 8 minus B is 8. See there, so put 8 up the top there, so divided by 4. But remember guys, we have to do the multiplication first, right? So 8 fours 32 minus 8 into that goes 4 into 8 goes 2 times. So this gives us 30. So that would be our answer. Alright. This one now said A asterisk 2 asterisk bracket 4 asterisk 8. But guys, if you remember, we just work out this, right? This is equal to 30. 4 8 32, yeah, minus that gives 30, right? So what we're gonna do now is instead of using all of this, let's just use 30, right? So let us rewrite it. So it's like they are saying 2 asterisk 30. Alright. What was the formula again? A times B. So that would be 2 times 30. So this is A and this is our B. And then we have minus B over A, which is 30 over 2. Alright, we could simplify now. 2 times 30. Go down to this part. No, let's come over here. So 2 times 30 is 60 minus 30 divided by 2, that is 15. So now we're gonna say 60 subtract 15. That looks like 45, ain't it? Alright. So thank you guys so much for being a part of Linux Bennett channel. Yo, if you don't want to even video them, I say them peeps. I can show you something I get global. I get them, I say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for staying to the end. Please ensure that you share with your friends for persons who might need help. This is Lennox Bennett. I'm out, no doubt. Pick up on yourself, peeps. Stay safe.